अमरीकी सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने कहा है कि ईरान पर दबाव जारी रखा जाएगा, तेहरान आखिरकार मुआहदे पर मजबूर हो जाएगा। फॉक्स न्यूज़ को इंटरव्यू में ट्रंप ने दावा किया, ईरान के सख्तगी रहनुमा झुक रहे हैं और पीछे हट जाएंगे।
अमरीकी सदर के मुताबिक ईरानी मुज़ाकरातकारों ने एतराफ़ किया है कि अफजूदा यूरेनियम को निकालने के लिए उन्हें अमरीका की टेक्नोलॉजी और मदद दरकार है।
Iran has been defeated militarily, totally. Iran cannot have a nuclear weapon. If they think that, well, I'll get tired of this, or I'll get bored, or I'll have some pressure, but there's no pressure. There's no pressure at all. We're going to have a complete victory. Then they come back and they want to negotiate, and they give us it's a stupid proposal. Iran told me very strongly, because they intend to give us the nuclear dust, as I call it. It's easier than talking about. But you're going to have to take it out, because the site was so obliterated that there's only 1 or 2 countries in the world that could get it. I would say the ceasefire is on massive life support.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।